What are you guys doing up there? Huh? It's your first time on the couch, both of you guys. You got up all by yourselves. Harper, what are you doing up there? You don't have enough control to get down. Yeah, you know you're a stinker. Be careful. I don't see this ending well for you, Harper. You think you're such a big boy? You're a bad influence on your sister. Did you pull her up there? Did you pull her up there? Yes? Did you just say yes? Careful, Harper. Where do you think you're going? Hollister, don't pull her hair. Hollister. Hollister. You think it's more fun up there, Stella? I think Stella's keeping guard. Are you the babysitter? Okay, you guys want to get down now? Before you get hurt? Me teach you guys how to clean that window tomorrow? Harper. That's glass. Single pane glass. You guys want to rearrange some furniture tomorrow so you can't do that anymore? Have fun now! Hey, Hollister, how are you gonna get down? Does that taste good? Fall down, go boom! Okay, let's get down now. It's about nap time for you guys too. Okay.